bird nest in there. That doesn't look safe. Go. Welcome to Thailand. Welcome to Bangkok. We just got here last night, and today's actually like our first day of doing a little bit of exploring. And we found this little market. What is it called?
No idea.
Sampeng Market, I think it's called. Nice. Nice palace. Now that it's a little quieter, welcome to Bangkok, guys. We're gonna do a little exploring today. We just got here yesterday, not last night. But we haven't been out much. It's only been one day, so yeah. There's this market about a half a mile away from here, somewhere down over there, called I'm probably gonna say this wrong, Sampeng Market or something like that. And
I'll tell you later.
Yeah, we'll give you the correct way to say it later on. But it looks like a little local market and something kind of interesting.
Looks like someone lives in that tuk-tuk.
Yeah, it looks like they live in here. It's kind of sad. Hold on. Let's see where we gotta go. I think we have to go that way. Some honey. Yeah. Now this isn't the market I was talking about, but this is a market, so let's check it out. Bunch of food, homemade food.
Food looks good.
Clothing, yeah. A bunch of sweets everywhere.
Fresh fruits.
Fresh fruits. It smells pretty good. Oh. I think we found the spot where the tourists don't go, which I like even better.
Is it safe? We don't know, but we will still go, so you don't have to.
I think it's pretty safe. Thai people seem pretty nice.
One thing I would definitely say is that the Thai people are really friendly and really like welcoming.
Ready? Oh, not yet, hold on. We're gonna follow this guy, come on. We're gonna follow you. This is some kind of market. Huh?
I think we found the tourism.
Yeah, crossing the street can be a little crazy here. Just gotta keep your eyes peeled or you will get hit. What is this, Chinatown? Look at this. The Chinese fortune something. So I'm pretty sure all this is it.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure it extends all the way back there also. For the police.
Maybe this is the center.
Maybe. Oh wow. What are these? I'm assuming those are fried bananas? Barbecued bananas? I don't know. These egg rolls look good. Want to get egg roll? Let me ask what kind they are. It's good. What kind is that?
50 baht one box.
What is it?
Vegetable.
Vegetables?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll try with just one.
Sauce.
Sure, yeah, why not? Okay, thank you. 50, yeah? Thank you. Let's try one right now. These look really good. Vegetables. Vegetable, like a spring roll or something.
There's that guy. Yeah, I'll trade you a egg roll for a shrimp.
Really good.
All right. Here we go.
You like it? It's good stuff, huh? So I think this is a good spot to stand and eat. Yeah.
They're very good. They're down there.
really good. About 50 baht. Nearly cross. Ooh. 50 baht, which is like a dollar, like $1.15 or something like that. It's worth it. What the hell is that? Now we're on a hunt to find a trash can to throw this away. Maybe. Oh, look at Dunkin' Donuts and KFC. Hello. I don't know where the hell I can go this way. Ready? Let's go.
Making sure we get the best deal possible.
We need groceries, guys. Got our oats, got our coffee. We're gonna get a little honey, and then we're going to continue our journey.
This one?
Yep. Ready? Some coconut. Yum. I think up here is kind of like the ending of the market. And our hotel is like 1.5 miles in that direction over there somewhere. And of course we like to walk, so we walked all the way over here.
Gotta burn all the food off.
Yeah, and we're gonna walk all the way back.
And we're gonna eat. We're gonna eat, then we're gonna walk, then we're gonna eat, and then we're gonna walk. So that's what we do.
Cool market though, guys. Cool market. It's kind of noisy, but that's alright. Alright, let's try and cross the road. Hold on. We actually have a light at this crosswalk. It's not just a free-for-all, which is nice. So I think that's going to be the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the little tour around the market. Kind of showed you the little the surrounding areas of the market. We're gonna be in Bangkok for another what, 16 days.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have some more videos of Bangkok coming out. And yeah, subscribe if you liked it. See you next time.
Bye bye.